You feel it, don't you? That invisible pull every time you start making progress. You're ready to elevate your life, to connect deeply, to build your tribe, but it feels like you're chained to the ground. Every new step forward is harder than the last, like someone's holding you back by your shoulders, whispering doubt into your ear. Maybe it's subtle, the friend who never fully celebrates your wins, or the family member who always questions your ambition. Maybe it's the coworker who smirks when you talk about dreams beyond your desk. These people feel harmless, yet their energy creeps into your thoughts, making you second-guess every bold move. But what if I told you these subtle energies aren't harmless at all? What if the people you surround yourself with can either become the wind beneath your wings or the weights pulling you down? Right now, your dream is clear. You want genuine connection, unstoppable momentum, and a community that cheers louder for your victories than you do yourself. But the truth is, your inner circle is everything. And if the wrong people slip in, they silently sabotage your growth. Today, you're going to discover the 6 people secretly holding you back. They're lurking closer than you think, draining your passion, dimming your spark, and keeping you stuck exactly where you don't want to be. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot them, remove them, and replace them with people who truly lift you higher. Before we dive deep, pause for a second, like this video and subscribe to the Power Playbook, because you deserve tools that actually change your life. Think about this. Imagine the relief you'll feel when negativity stops pulling you back. Picture waking up excited, energized by a tribe that's fully aligned with your dreams. Visualize every goal finally within your reach because the people around you amplify your power, not diminish it. Are you ready to break free? Are you ready to uncover the truth, let go of those secretly sabotaging you, and finally surround yourself with the unstoppable force of people who push you forward? Good, because your transformation begins now. Here's the uncomfortable truth no one talks about. The people closest to you shape who you're becoming more than you realize. You've probably heard the saying, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. But it's even deeper than that, because sometimes it's not just your habits and success that reflect your inner circle. It's your energy, your dreams, and your very self-worth. But let's shatter a myth first. You might believe that loyalty means holding on to people forever, no matter how much negativity they pour into your life. You've been conditioned to think that distancing yourself is selfish, cold-hearted, or disloyal. Listen carefully. You're not selfish. You're not disloyal. You're simply choosing your growth over stagnation. You're not obligated to stay bound to relationships that drain you or subtly chip away at your confidence and dreams. Your responsibility is to your highest self, the version of you that's waiting, desperate to thrive and fulfill your greatest potential. Think about your energy as currency. Every interaction is a transaction, either investing into your growth or robbing you blind. Consider the energy vampire, someone who's always negative, always complaining. After an interaction with them, you feel drained, demotivated, and unsure of your next move. Imagine trying to build a thriving community with someone secretly sabotaging your dreams by projecting their fears onto you. Or the subtle critic, who masks their jealousy behind sarcastic jokes, constantly making you doubt your abilities. They're the reason you're hesitant to launch that project or express your authentic self, worried you'll be mocked or misunderstood. You're not lazy, uninspired, or destined to fail. You've just been surrounded by people who reinforce your limitations rather than expand your possibilities. You're waking up to this reality because deep inside, you're ready for something better, something bigger. Now imagine replacing these hidden saboteurs with genuine supporters, people who see your greatness clearly, who light up when you share your dreams, who inspire action and amplify your energy rather than depleting it. You deserve to feel empowered by your inner circle, not limited by it. Here's the breakthrough you need to grasp. The quickest path to personal growth isn't just about adding positive habits or working harder. It's about ruthlessly removing negativity from your environment. It's not about cutting everyone out immediately, but about recognizing who deserves to stay in your life and who's quietly sabotaging your growth. First, recognize the patterns clearly, the doubter. This person never believes in your dreams, always highlighting what can go wrong rather than supporting your vision. Their fear is contagious, paralyzing you from taking bold steps. The competitor. Pretending to be supportive, this person subtly tries to outshine you, making every interaction feel like a hidden rivalry, not friendship. The drainer. Constantly needing your energy, advice, or validation, this person leaves you exhausted and distracted from your goals. The manipulator. Uses guilt or emotional blackmail to keep you tied to them, undermining your confidence so you'll always depend on their approval. The settler. Comfortable with mediocrity, they discourage ambition because your success highlights their stagnation. The gossip. Thrives on negativity, drama, and tearing others down. Their presence lowers your energy and distracts from your true purpose. To escape their influence, you must cultivate clear boundaries and begin investing in relationships that elevate your energy and amplify your ambition. At this point, the emotional intelligence edge can help you take this further. It's a game plan to master emotions and become relentlessly productive. It will show you exactly how to handle difficult conversations, set healthy boundaries, and protect your energy so you can finally move forward fearlessly. The link is in the description below. Picture this vividly. Instead of fighting to stay motivated, you're effortlessly energized by your new circle. Every interaction fuels your growth. Every connection becomes a source of inspiration, not a burden. With your emotional intelligence sharpened, you're confidently removing negativity and building authentic relationships that make your dreams inevitable. It's time to give yourself permission to elevate your standards. It's time to stop letting negativity dim your brilliance. Choose your inner circle carefully, because their energy becomes your destiny. Let's anchor this transformation into action, because knowing who holds you back isn't enough. You must take clear steps right now to surround yourself with a tribe that genuinely uplifts and propels you forward. Here's exactly what you need to do today. Step 1. Audit your inner circle. Make a list of the 6 negative influences we've talked about today. The doubter, competitor, drainer, manipulator, settler, and gossip. Then honestly reflect, who in your life embodies these roles? This clarity is crucial because recognizing who holds you back is the first step toward reclaiming your power. Step 2. Establish your boundaries. Once you know who these individuals are, decide today what boundaries you'll set. Limit exposure to negativity by reducing interactions, speaking honestly about your goals, and confidently protecting your emotional space. You don't owe explanations. Your growth doesn't require anyone else's permission. Step 3. Actively seek your tribe. Don't wait for positive people to find you. Be intentional. Join groups, communities, and events aligned with your passion. Surround yourself intentionally with those who fuel your fire, not dampen it. Energy attracts energy. When you show up authentically, your true tribe emerges naturally. You might feel uneasy at first, but imagine the power you'll reclaim. Imagine waking each day with a circle that believes fiercely in your vision. Picture yourself effortlessly moving toward your dreams because your community fuels your momentum instead of sabotaging it. Ask yourself this powerful question. Will you keep watching other people live your dream or start building it? Your life is too precious to be limited by anyone else's fears or doubts. You're here for more. You're here to thrive. And today you finally take back control. Comment your breakthrough, like if this hit home, and subscribe to the Power Playbook. Your journey starts now.